Hi, today's video regarding Canon Pixma printer. So I'm going to show you how to do copy, how to do wireless printing and scanning. So let's start with the copy first. To do a copy, it's very simple. We need to lift the top scanner, place a page facing downwards on the left hand side corner, close the lid. Now on the display panel, simply click on the start button, which is a green button, and just wait for the printer. Now you don't need to take the output tray out, it will automatically come out here, and just wait for the copy to be done. So that's the simple way we can do a copy. Now I will show you how to do a wireless scanning and printing. Now click on the OK button and you will see the Wi-Fi setup option. Scroll down and press OK. Easy wireless connect, which is on the top, so click OK again. Now it says connect to a computer or smartphone and you have to confirm. Click yes, press OK. Now go to your smartphone and download the Canon Print app from the App Store, and once you download it, we want to open this app. It will ask if you want to search for the available printers. Yes, and you just wait. Now on the screen you will see it says the following printer will be added, so click OK, and here you see this screen. It says we have to press and hold this button on our printer for 3 seconds. So that is here, and I press and hold it for 3 seconds and release it, and now confirm here that we have pressed it. Now you will see this screen, it says set up Wi-Fi for the following printer, so that's the name of the printer here, and now we click OK again. Now you will see here the printer will be connected to the following wireless router, so click yes and enter the Wi-Fi password. So once you enter the password, you just click OK. So in the end you will see this confirmation page, that means we are connected, and now we can do the wireless print and scan. You will also see the printer is available at the bottom here, so that is TS6320 series. Also on the display screen it says it is connected, so we can just click OK and confirm. Now I'll show you how to do the scanning. To do scanning, wireless scanning, we need to open the top scanner and place a page facing downwards here. Now go to the app and click on the scan button here. Now we can also change some settings, and then we can click on scan. So here you can see the scan has been transferred, and now we can save it. If you exit it, it will be saved and in the following location, and you can check from there. Now we can also do a wireless printing. For example, to print a document, click on the any document here, select from the app. Now click on next, select if you want a current page or all pages, and you can do some changing here with change setting option, and then click on print. So you can see that's the easiest way we can use this printer to do copy, print and scan. Thanks for watching.